Silly sheep getting into trouble, putting themselves into danger. That's why they need a shepherd. And that, dear friend, is why people need a spiritual shepherd. And Jesus is the great shepherd. I'm enjoying this too much. I just love it down here. You never know what you're going to see. I'm going to show you what my husband has been up to these days. He's been helping me out with something. Actually, he hasn't helped me out. He's actually done it for me. It's his idea and it's his doing, and I'm very grateful to him. You'll never guess what my husband has just made me. My own code for little cards that I can give my friends or give people I meet down at the river. Cool.
Okay.
One of my nephews has a little girl, and the two of them were working on, I suppose, maybe their iPad. He's trying to teach her things pertaining to computer usage and stuff. So they came up with a little, what would I say it? Like a little introduction you might put into a video, and sent me 3 different ones that I can use. So my husband took the image of one of them, or the image of this little image is on all 3 of them, and he started playing around, and this is what he came up with. So we're trying this on card. Okay, so I'm happy with the colour. Let's see if the QR code works. Sweet. Next day delivery, would you believe it? We used to have one of these years ago and I don't know what happened to it. Excellent. So it's great to have it though.
Yeah, good to have it.
Nice one. Thank you, husband. See the videos running? What about that? Not a bit of fun. Where's Daddy? There you go. Let me click it again.